In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from Squarespace to WordPress. 7 steps. We'll follow a reliable walkthrough called How to Switch from Squarespace to WordPress as our roadmap. Start by opening that guide in your browser and click into the full article so you can follow along. Once you're in, jump to the section on exporting your Squarespace content. From your Squarespace dashboard, go to Settings, then Advanced, and choose Import/Export. Select Export and pick the WordPress format. Squarespace will prepare a file. Download the XML file to your computer. Keep in mind that some items, like certain design elements, product pages, or custom CS, won't come across automatically, so note anything you'll need to rebuild later. Next, move to the section about transferring your domain. If your domain is registered through Squarespace, unlock the domain, disable privacy if needed, and copy the authorization code. At your new registrar or hosting provider, start a transfer and enter that code. Alternatively, you can keep the domain where it is and update DNS to point to your WordPress host. Expect DNS changes to take up to 48 hours, so plan accordingly and avoid making edits during propagation. With the file ready, head to the part on importing into WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Tools, then Import, choose WordPress, and install the importer if prompted. Upload the XML file, assign authors, and check the option to download and import file attachments to pull images where possible. After the import completes, review everything carefully. Browse posts, pages, menus, and widgets. Create any pages that didn't migrate, rebuild index or gallery pages, and set your home page and blog page under Settings Reading. Check your navigation menus under Appearance, Menus to mirror your previous structure. If images are missing, use a media import tool to fetch images from the old site or re-upload them from your backups. Replace any inline image links that still point to Squarespace URLs so all media lives in your WordPress library now align your URLs. In WordPress, go to Settings, Permalinks, and choose a structure that matches your old site, typically postname. If any slugs changed, add redirects so existing links and SEO equity are preserved. Finally, recreate your design. Choose a theme that's close to your previous look, customize colors, fonts, and layouts, and rebuild any custom sections using the block editor or your preferred page builder. Test contact forms, search, and mobile views. When everything looks good, point your domain to the new host and clear caches. Your WordPress site is now live and your Squarespace content has successfully moved over.